popular anonymous Bitcoin analyst, Plan B, has been quite active on Twitter even as the crypto asset continues its consolidation. At $30,300, Bitcoin is still over 50% below its November all-time high. The world's largest cryptocurrency by market cap has also shed almost 27% of its price within the past month. While the situation is already dire, many market experts believe it can worsen in the coming months. Amidst the confusion and chaos, Plan B has been putting out more tweets and Twitter polls to encourage Bitcoin investors. In this video, we will be taking a quick look at Plan B's tweets, especially his latest one about the S&P index and Bitcoin. Please watch the video to the end as it promises to be enlightening. Also, ensure you hit the like button and drop your thoughts and observations in the comment section below. Thanks and enjoy the video. Let's begin with an interesting tweet the pseudonymous independent analyst put out about Bitcoin and the S&P index, one of the three most popular indexes for tracking the performance of the US stock market. Here's Plan B's tweet. S&P 500 Ultimo 2019 before COVID, $3,200, now $3,900. This is an increase of 20%. Bitcoin Ultimo 2019, $7,500, now $30,000, an increase of 300%. There are at least two reasons why Plan B's tweet is particularly noteworthy. 1. The media is always quick to point out the correlation between the S&P 500 or NASDAQ and Bitcoin. The gusto with which they report any negative correlation between the crypto assets and the index funds makes one wonder how badly they want the cryptocurrency market to fail. Plan B's tweet clearly shows that even if there might be some correlation between Bitcoin and the stock market, the crypto asset is still a better asset than anything the stock market can offer. The second reason why the tweet might sound very appealing to Bitcoin investors is quite obvious. Since the Federal Reserve is now focused on quantitative tightening and potentially withdrawing its support for the markets, the tweet shows that Bitcoin remains superior. Plan B's tweet shows that, unlike the stock market, Bitcoin does not need any form of propping up by the Federal Reserve to gain 300% in just 3 years, amidst a deadly pandemic. And we wonder why they are so dead set against it. In another tweet, Plan B declares that maths will always beat politics, alluding to the fact that U.S. politicians and their counterparts around the world may try to interfere with Bitcoin's growth, but the asset will come out triumphant. Here is the former institutional investor's tweet. Maths beats politics. Always has, always will. In reply to a tweet under his original tweet, Plan also writes, Government did not give in to Earth is round and Earth rotates around the sun either. That's why I used a picture of Copernicus. Nicolaus Copernicus was a Renaissance mathematician and astronomer who formulated a model of the universe that placed the sun rather than Earth as its center. Of course, his work was scorned then. Today, almost 480 years after he died, say and believe the opposite of his words may earn you a time in his psychiatric world. It took almost 100 years for the Polish astronomer's work to seriously take hold. But Bitcoin is already close to establishing itself as a superior store of value, and it is just 13 years old. Despite continuous reports that Bitcoin might go lower than the previous $25,400, a majority of investors are not waiting for another bottom. In a recent Twitter poll, Plan B poses an important question to his followers, and the results are quite interesting. The anonymous analyst asks, what risk would you take? Buy Bitcoin at $30,000 and risk that Bitcoin drops to $20,000, so you could have bought $10,000 cheaper, or do not buy at $30,000 and risk that Bitcoin jumps to $40,000, so you will have to buy at $10,000 more expensive. Out of over 55,000 participants, over 68% said they would rather miss the cheaper price. The Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index may be down to 13 at extreme fear, but the poll results show that investors have not completely lost faith in the world's largest cryptocurrency. Today's video is sponsored by Margex, your reliable way to trade Bitcoin with up to 100 times leverage. Margex is a global crypto trading platform specifically designed by traders for traders. It features the combined liquidity of over a dozen cryptocurrency exchanges, bank-grade multi-layer security, and you can start trading with as low as $10. To make your trading experience even more memorable and profitable, Margex offers live deal flow and a $40 million deep order book from over a dozen liquidity providers. That's all the market data you need to make informed decisions for your long and short position trades. With up to 100 times leverage, a user-friendly interface, and a unique isolated margin system that lets you know the liquidation price and exact amount at risk when you place your order, Margex is arguably one of the best platforms for trading all your favorite cryptocurrencies. When you sign up on Margex, you get a $50 bonus to pay trading fees and another $50 bonus when you make a deposit of 0.004 Bitcoin. Unlike other platforms, Margex does not require a KYC verification procedure for users. so you can trade without revealing any sensitive information. Margex is safe, secured, easy to use, and specifically designed to take care of all your trading needs. Please click the link in the description box to sign up immediately and receive your $50 bonus. What are your thoughts about Plan B's tweets? In addition, which would you rather do, wait for Bitcoin to hit $20,000 or buy now before it jumps to $40,000? Let us know your answers and the reasons for them in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.